Breaking news, everyone. Breaking news. Again, the world was getting too calm. The market was getting too calm. Something was gonna happen, right? Isn't that what everyone says? You know, a calm ocean doesn't make a good, what's the name of the person that drives the boat? I forgot the name, but whatever. A calm ocean doesn't make that person a good driver of the boat. Whatever, I don't know, all right? I'm not a boat driver. Anyways, breaking news, Biden throws the towel. Biden throws the towel. And it was so funny that happened right on the weekend again. Right, last weekend we had Trump assassination attempt on the weekend, and then yesterday Biden comes in and say, I gonna drop the towel. I can't handle my job anymore, all right? I can't handle my job anymore because I'm old. I can't process my brain. My brain can't take informations anymore. And everything what I wanna do is eat ice cream. That's exactly what I wanna do. All right, stay with me until the end of this video that you will know how this will repercute during this week on the market, okay? Because we did had a crazy opening on the US dollar and on the euro side, okay? So please guys, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and share this content with your friends because this is very important to us, all right? When you share this content, you show YouTube that you are liking and, you know, sharing this with your friends. Now, Joe Biden have dropped the towel. I'm gonna say this again, all right? Because it was it wasn't like something that everyone was expecting, first of all, okay? It was something that not everyone was expecting, but everyone wanted it to happen. So when we looked, well, like 2 weeks ago when Trump and Biden have the debate, all right, on CNN, I think, can't remember now, as they always do, there was some of the moments Biden couldn't even speak correctly, okay? He couldn't even process what he was saying. So after that day, everyone looking to Biden, they were like, oh my God, I'm not gonna vote on this person. He can't even like reword a sentence. So you lose my vote. And then 1 week after that, he tried to say, you know, Zelensky for the President of Ukraine, and he say Putin. He say Putin, guys. What is going on this guy's head? Oh my God, right? I think it was overdue already, all right? So, and he says, I welcome to the stage President Putin. President Putin is the best. Oh, no. Zelensky is the best. And then Zelensky comes in and say, yeah, I'm much better than him, right? He was like, oh my God. Anyways, and then after that, Trump gets shot. And then after that, Biden throws the towel. Now, he came in yesterday and he said, look, I'm throwing the towel. We'll have more information during the week, but we'll do a speech during the week. But now it's an official. He put it up on his X, all right, Twitter, old Twitter, and he say, my fellow American, over the past 3.5 years, we have made great progress as a nation. Today, America has the strongest economy in the world. We've made historic investments in rebuilding our nation, in lowering prescription drug costs for seniors and expanding affordable healthcare to record numbers of Americans. We've provided critical needed care to 1 million veterans exposed to toxic substances, passed the first gun safely law in 30 years, appointed the first African-American woman to Supreme Court, and passed the most significant climate legislation in the history of the world. America has never been better positioned to lead than we are today. And then he goes, all right? So you can pause the video and read it by yourself. But now it's interesting because I'm right now on his X, all right? And he just posted Biden-Harris donate money, and it says, let's finish the job. let's finish the job. What is this? What job you want to finish? The one that you haven't even started. Anyways, okay. So guys, this will have pretty big implications for the Trump trade, okay? When we had Trump trying to get attempted to assassination last weekend, we pretty much saw a weaker dollar, but a strong treasury bills, and of course the Trump tech stocks rise pretty much a lot. But then during the week it declined. And then during the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, we saw US dollar regaining strength towards other currencies. So in my opinion, this is a very toxic volatility, all right? Because it's not a like a precise volatility where we know where it's going to go. It's pretty much very volatile, and we don't know where this can possibly go. So I think the start of the Trump trade was when Trump tried to get attempted to assassination, and then now it's the end of the Trump trade, and now is the way that we should be positioning ourselves into the US dollar, same as hedge funds are doing. All right, so I've just looked at upon leverage funds, the commitments of traders, they are 20% long net exposure, so that's pretty big. For since beginning of the year, they were negative exposed on net percentage. So again, this is a very good moment to be going to safe havens like gold, US dollar, even Japanese yen, CHF, and some other currencies. In my opinion, yes, I will be longing US dollars, and I will be shorting, of course, euro dollar and pound dollar, and even I will be longing gold, all right, from this week. So hopefully we can have a good week ahead, and hopefully you could understand what just happened. So pretty much Biden say that he's not fit for the role. Not only him, I think everyone could see it, okay? So it was very, very, very easy to see it, all right? Guys, I hope everyone have a beautiful week ahead. Don't forget that tomorrow we're going to have my webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. So I'll make sure to register yourself on the link in the description and join us on the Telegram. That is the link on the description as well. Thanks for staying with me. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.